Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mental Mentor. Today, we're diving into a calming realm that can transform our daily lives, mindfulness. Especially for those who are new to this practice, mindfulness can seem a bit elusive. But worry not. Today, we're simplifying mindfulness and exploring easy techniques that can be weaved into your everyday routine. So, let's embark on this tranquil journey towards a more mindful existence, defining mindfulness. So, what exactly is mindfulness? At its core, mindfulness is about being fully present, about engaging with the here and now with a kind, non-judgmental awareness. In a world that often sweeps us into a whirlpool of past regrets and future anxieties, mindfulness serves as our anchor, providing a haven of tranquility amidst the chaos. The science behind mindfulness. The science of mindfulness is as fascinating as the practice itself. Research has shown that regular mindfulness practice can rewire our brain, reducing stress and enhancing our overall well-being. It's not just a practice. It's a pathway towards a more balanced and harmonious life. Benefits of mindfulness. The bouquet of benefits that mindfulness offers is extensive. It's known to alleviate stress, reduce anxiety, and promote emotional well-being. Moreover, mindfulness sharpens our focus, fosters resilience, and enriches our relationships by promoting empathy and understanding. Techniques for beginners. Now, let's delve into some simple yet profound techniques to kickstart your mindfulness journey. Breath awareness. Begin by tuning into your breath. Feel the rhythm of your inhale and exhale. It's a dance of life, a cycle of serenity that's ever present. Body scan. Lay down in a comfortable position and start scanning your body from the crown of your head to the tips of your toes. Notice the different sensations, the areas of tension and relaxation. It's a journey of self-discovery, one scan at a time. Mindful eating. Transform your meals into a meditative experience. Engage all your senses. Observe the colors, textures, and flavors. Each bite is a narrative of nature's bounty. Observing nature. Step outside and immerse yourself in nature's symphony. Observe the rustling leaves, the chirping birds, and the gentle caress of the breeze. It's a dialogue between you and the essence of life. Mindful walking. Turn your casual stroll into a mindful journey. Feel the earth beneath your feet, the wind against your skin, and the rhythm of your steps. It's a moving meditation that connects you with the essence of existence. Incorporating mindfulness into daily routine. Incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine doesn't require a Herculean effort. You can start with dedicating a few minutes each morning or evening to practice breath awareness or a body scan. Practice mindful eating during one meal a day, and take short, mindful walks, feeling each step and appreciating the surrounding nature. Mindfulness apps and resources. The digital world is rich with resources to aid your mindfulness journey. Apps like Headspace and Calm offer a plethora of guided sessions, breathing exercises, and mindfulness challenges to ease you into the practice. Overcoming common challenges. It's natural to encounter distractions or impatience as you embark on your mindfulness journey. Remember, every time your mind wanders, it's an opportunity to gently bring it back to the present moment. The essence of mindfulness is in the practice, not in attaining perfection. I invite you to embrace the practice of mindfulness and share your experiences in the comments below. If this video resonated with you, please hit the like button, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to Mental Mentor for more insightful content on personal growth and mindfulness. Thank you for joining me in today's venture into mindfulness. The path to mindfulness is a journey of 1,000 moments, each moment a gem of insight and tranquility. Until our next encounter, take care and stay mindful.